Half of the world workforce is on the edge right now. In the actual fact, there are hundreds of millions of people that are out of job worldwide as a result of the global coronavirus pandemic that is happening right now. Hi, my name is Tekan, and today I'm going to share with you 80% of the people will ignore this advice in 2020. That is to start a home-based online business. If you look around you and to listen to all the news globally, you hear big companies and stores, they are filing for bankruptcy and they are closing down their store. You look at a segment of the market like the food industry, the quick service restaurant out there. You look at McDonald, you look at Starbucks, you look at Subway, they are closing down stores in major cities around the world because people are dining out less right now compared to the past because of the coronavirus pandemic. So you have to think of new way of doing business. Instead of waiting for the customer to come to your restaurant, right now you have to think of new way of taking orders and doing delivery directly to homes around you. So the other aspect of it is the retail industry. Lesser people are going to shopping complex, departmental store right now. There are lesser people traveling around the world for holidays. Tour business is affecting, the airline industry is affecting, the accommodation, the hotel industry, the hotel are closing down as well. So in the retail segment of the market, you will also hear a lot of big brand names like Victoria's Secrets, like Zara, like Esprit. They are closing down store because nobody is traveling and nobody is going out there to shop. So they are forced to close down shop and forced to actually unemployed a lot of staff, right? So what about the other aspect of the business like manufacturing, wholesaling are all changing right now. You see more and more people are doing online shopping right now compared to the past. So the key ideas right now is to start thinking of ways of doing things differently. A lot of people are still stuck there or are still very naive, don't want to believe that this coronavirus is affecting them. Some of them still think that the coronavirus is going to be over soon and they are able to go back to work as per normal. My personal opinion is that whether the coronavirus pandemic is going to be over soon or not, nothing is going to be the same again. Everything is not going to be the same again. Meaning to say that there is going to be a new normal of doing business. So the new normal of doing business means that you have to think of new way of doing business. Like for me, during this particular crisis, it actually provided me with a lot more opportunity for me to do business online, where I can reach out to people globally, where I can ship product to different part of the world with a properly set up infrastructure by the company that I'm working with. So to me, it is an opportunity that I can pivot on right now, especially during this time of the pandemic, where a lot of people, business are affected. My business are growing as a result of it. Instead of thinking locally right now, I can think globally using Zoom to do business presentation, to network with people, to connect with people, to train people, and to build business from home. And that really actually have benefited me tremendously in terms of cutting down costs and increasing my productivity and my profitability. So some of you here may be still blessed with a job, others may be already out of job, another group may be very uncertain of what is going to happen to you, whether the company or your boss is going to keep you in terms of your employment in the midst of this crisis that is ongoing right now. What I want you to do is stop actually worrying about the crisis, but start thinking of opportunity out there that you can seize, opportunity out there that you can start to build a home-based online business. The home-based online business is the future because you will see everywhere, everyone around you are actually starting to buy things online. So go out there, look for an opportunity that you can start an online home-based business. If you are still struggling with ideas of how to get started, don't worry. What I want you to do is connect with me. I will coach you step by step on how you can build a successful online home-based business. Connect with me at potekan.com and let's get started to discuss how we can move forward if you are serious about looking for an opportunity to get started in the midst of this crisis.